Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to propagate this plant, the Philodendron Birking, by making cuttings. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Start by cutting the stem horizontally with pruning scissors. Make sure to leave some leaves on the plant so it can keep growing. You can make multiple cuttings from the first cutting you made. Just cut the stem in the middle with scissors. You can remove old dried out parts from the stem. To root the cuttings, you can put them in a jar of water or a jar filled with some damp sphagnum moss. Make sure to cover the nodes of the cuttings with the moss. Put the jar in a bright spot and water the moss every few days. After a few weeks, you will see new growth on the mother plant. A shoot is formed from the node closest to where you've cut. You can check on your cuttings to see if they have formed enough roots to be repotted. The smaller cutting has formed some decent roots and attached itself to the moss. The bigger cutting is not ready yet, so I put it back into the sphagnum moss. A rooted cutting can be repotted into a plastic pot with a diameter of around 9 centimeters. Fill it with some aroid substrate mix. After some time, you see that the shoot that came out of the node has grown a lot. Also, the larger cutting finally formed a root and is ready to be repotted. Thank you for watching this video on the propagation of the Philodendron Birking. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!